Hello, this is fish meal. This is local fish meal. You can see it. This local fish meal is made from, it smells very nice. It is made from tilapia fish, dried tilapia fish meal. It's about 65% crude protein. That's the protein content. It has very rich in fat also. You can see it. You have seen it. Now, this fish meal is very expensive. It costs more than 5,000 naira per kilo. What I have here is about 2 kg. This 2 kg is worth 10,000 naira. You can see it. Are you seeing it? It's made up of bones and the whole fish, the entire fish is ground into powder level. Are you seeing it? Now, because of the high cost of this fish meal, there's another one. There are different protein content of fish meal and the price differs also. There is another one, 72% crude protein fish meal. That one is imported. It is about 8,000 to 10,000 per kg of it. 8 to 10,000, 72% crude protein. It is imported. This is tilapia, our local tilapia fish, ground into powder, both the bones and everything. You can see it. Now we are trying to drop the cost of this fish meal using BSF Larvae. That is, you can see it, black soldier fly larva. To drop the cost, because black soldier fly larva is something you can get free. If you can farm it in your farm, you can farm it and get it free, dry it and use it to prepare it. It's very rich in protein also. It can replace this fish meal completely up to 100%. In this particular video, I want to guide you on how to use BSF Larvae meal for chicken feed, nutrition, and the inclusion rate, and at the same time the rates at which you can replace it with fish meal. This is exactly what this video is all about. BSF Larvae, how you can use it to replace fish meal. Do you want this particular video? You want to increase the vitamin and mineral content of your feed, you can use BSF Larvae meal instead of fish meal to drop the cost. This fish meal is very expensive. What I have in this particular tray now is worth 10,000 naira. But it's BSF Larvae. You can get it free. If you have it in your farm, you can plant it in your farm and get it free. See it here. It smells nice, very fine. Now, in this video, please, at the end of the video, if you want me to develop feed formula using BSF Larvae, let me know on the comment section also. It is very important because the rising cost of fish meal and soya bean meal. Fish meal is for animal protein. Fish meal, blood meal, feather meal, they are all animal protein. They are very costly. And soya bean meal, GNC, they are all plant protein. Has forced many farmers to search for cheaper alternative but powerful protein alternatives. One of the best of these solutions today is the black soldier fly larva meal. You can see it online that people are planting it now in their farm. A high protein insect feed that grows fast, convert waste into feed, and deliver excellent growth and egg performance in your poultry farm. You can plant it in your farm, even using the poultry droppings. You can use it to generate black soldier fly and plant it in your farm. In this video, you will learn the full nutritional composition, the extract inclusion rate for broilers, layers, and local chickens, including broiler, and how to use black soldier fly larva meal and safely replace it with expensive. That's how you can use the black soldier fly larva meal, change the narrative of high cost fish meal, replace expensive fish meal while increasing profit and at the same time maximizing the growth potentials of your poultry and livestock animals. This is all I'm going to discuss in this particular video and more. Please watch the video to the end because I'm making some statements that will help you also to guide you in this particular video. What are the full nutritional composition of dried black soldier fly larva meal? What is crude protein? It has 40 to 55% crude protein. Why this tilapia is about 60 to 65% crude protein. But this one is very costly. But that one you can get it free. Now, crude fat, that's oil, 20 to 35%. Metabolizable energy, 3,200 to 3,800 calories per kilogram. Crude fiber, 8 to 12%. Calcium, 2.0 to 5.0%. Phosphorus 0.6 to 1.5%. Moisture content when it is properly dry is less than 10% when it is properly dried. Now, what are the key amino acids for poultry? Lysine 2.5 to 3.5%. Methionine. These methionines are amino acids for growth of your poultry beds. 0.7 to 1.2%. Taurine, that is 1.8 to 2.5%. Valine 2.5 to 3.5%, and isoleucine 1.2 to 2.2%. All this make black soldier fly larva meal very high in fat and minerals than soybean meal, very close to fish meal in protein quality, excellent for fast growth and strong eggshell in your laying beds. What black soldier fly can replace in poultry feed? 1. Fish meal. 50 to 100% replacement is adequate. What it means is that you can remove this fish meal completely and use black soldier fly larva to prepare fish meal, feed meal. You can also use it, half of it, maybe 10% of this, 10% of this, and prepare your feed. That's what it means. Now, blood meal, it can replace blood meal 60 to 100% also. Soybean meal, it can replace soybean meal 20 to 40%. Groundnut cake meal 30 to 50%. Meat and bone meal 50 to 80%, because it is full of nutrients. What are the inclusion rates in different stages of poultry birds? For broilers, starter feed is 0 age to 4 weeks of age. 3 to 5% inclusion rate is good using black soldier fly larva meal. For grower feed, 5 to 7 weeks of age, 5 to 10% is good. Now, for finisher feed, 8 weeks and above till you sell your chickens at the market stage, 6 to 8% inclusion rate is also good. Now, for laying birds, either Esa Brown, Leon, and the rest of them, during the growing stage of the pullet, 4 to 6% is good. Now, during the laying stage, you can add 5 to 8% of black soldier fly larva in their feed. It's okay, good. For local birds and noilers or backyard chickens, all these chickens, 8 to 12% is adequate and safely to use. Please note the following things if you are using black soldier fly larva. Dry it properly well to moisture less than 10%. If you see this fish meal, you can see that this fish meal is properly dry. This is less than 10% dry. You can see it is almost like dust. If it is not properly dried, it's going to affect the chickens. It will grow some pathogens that may affect their head. You can see if it's not properly dried, it won't be flying like this. It is properly dried. That is what you do. Even the black soldier fly larva also, dry it properly and make use of it. Source must be from clean organic waste only. Please do not exceed 12%. It's too much. Too much of it will be too much fat, which will reduce feed intake. Use enzyme and toxin binder when making use of black soldier fly larva. Enzyme helps in feed digestion and feed oxidation, while toxin binder helps in destroying any harmful substance that may associate with that particular product you're using. Now, make sure you prepare it in a safe manner, because black soldier fly larva meal is one of the most powerful and cheapest protein sources available for poultry today. It is currently in use with 40 to 55% crude protein, very high energy and rich calcium. It can safely replace up to 100% of fish meal when used correctly at 3 to 10% inclusion rates across all poultry stages. Farmers who adopt BSF Larvae meal correctly enjoy lower feed costs, faster growth, strong eggshells, and higher profit. Now, think of when you have this as 10,000, and maybe in feed of 100 kg, you're using this 5 kg of it in feed of 100 kg. Now, that 5 kg, 100 kg, 5 kg of this, 5 times, let's take it 10. This is about 5,000. 5 times 5, that will be 25,000 naira is off from 4 bags of feed. Divide that 25,000, you can see that you are gaining a lot of money. You're making a lot of profit from that feed. Because black soldier fly larva is what you generate with organic waste from your farm. Please share this video to reach more poultry farmers. If you want me to develop 100 kg broiler finisher feed using black soldier fly larva, let me know. If you want me to develop feed using Azolla and maggot meal, let me know also. All these feed formula, I can develop them. If the number of people that request for them are higher, then I will take time to develop. You know, you have to involve calculations. I will develop it and we calculate it together on the screen. Thank you for watching. Share this to reach more poultry farmers. And our Eco Bio Booster is still available. This one is going to worry. You can see it's worry tomorrow. Going to worry tomorrow. It is for your poultry best to grow heavier. This is going to Lagos. You can see it's going to Lagos tomorrow. Lagos. Are you seeing it? Lagos. So it is full. This one is fully packaged already. Leaving tomorrow morning to Lagos. Why not make offer now and get your own immediately? Our products, Eco Bio Booster feed booster, is still available. Then our Eco Bio Cossy Cure. Are you having coccidiosis or your poultry beds are dropping red, brown, white color, watery color? This is what you use to cure them immediately. This is purely organic. Stop wasting money on organic coccidias. This one is good for you. It's going to give you free treatment without any synthetic additive or any synthetic overload in the feed meat. This will go give you maximum result within short period of time. Only 3 days. This is 100 ml. You only make use of 4 ml for 20 liters of water. 3 days. Chicken, that's all. No more. You keep the remaining one. It must have been cured. This can serve for 500 birds. 100 ml can serve for 500 birds. You keep the remaining ones for the next time. Thank you for watching the video till now. Share this video and subscribe to our channel. Join our channel membership where you contribute to the growth of this channel and also contribute to the growth of your own business. Till the next video is uploaded. Stay tuned. Don't go away. If you are into layers farming, the next video that is loading is for you. If you have bought point of lay chicken to lay egg for you and they are not laying, or you have a layers farm and they are not dropping eggs according to their number, the next video that is loading in the next channel is for you. Make sure you watch it. Thank you. Bye for now.